I'm excited. This is not my kit. Before I go any further, this is not my kit, but this is a show and tell of a kit. I will take those out and show them later. But yes, this is, oh, I love this kit. This is a, oh my gosh, Dragonfly Dreams, I believe it's called, or is it Dragonfly Daydream? I think it's just Dragonfly Dreams. And this is a Susan Taylor Brown over at Poppiness kit. And I've been given this kit to work with by Susan as one of her guest design team members. So excited. I really, really am excited. Yep, she was doing a live last week. What day are we on? We are on Friday. So not this Wednesday gone, the Wednesday before. So just over a week ago. I've no idea when you guys will watch this. It's probably next week now. So this is probably maybe 2.5, nearly 3 weeks since past. But anyway, yeah. She was doing a live, and I quite often manage to catch her lives on a Wednesday because it's like just before I go up to, like, usually about an hour before I go up to bed, I get to spend an hour with Susan and all the other peeps that go on at the same time. We have a right good laugh and a chit chat and what have you. And she was talking about kits and things like that, and she just happened to mention she was talking about her design team, and she just happened to mention anybody that's watching. I mean, you can go back and watch this yourself anyway. Although it was live at the time, it's still on her channel now. I'll link the video below. But she was saying anybody who's watching, if you would like to feature as a guest design team, then please just pop her an email and choose your kits and that sort of thing. And that went out to everybody, not just us on the live. It was anybody. So I'm like, oh, I'd be interested. If there's no deadline, there is, no, you have to do it by this date or whatever. So I was like, a little bit busy at the moment, but I'd love to if you don't mind waiting. She's like, no, be my guest, choose your kit and let me know. So I chose this one. And yeah, so I emailed her the kit, asked her, is there any specifics? She said, no, whatever you want. I said, does it have to be a journal? And she said, no. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. I do have a few ideas in mind, but yeah, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, but it's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love it. I was showing my daughter the day after I got it and all and printed it. I was showing my daughter on FaceTime and she were oohing and ahhing and cooing over it. She's like, oh, I like that. Oh, wow, Mum, that's awesome. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and show you guys and, announce my exciting news. But yeah, so here we are, guys. This is Susan Taylor Brown's Poppiness Dragonfly Dreams kit, but it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I just happen to have some, there's a few hiding in there, but I do have some in the Mother Tubs Dragonfly stickers that'll be perfect with this. But yeah, but oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. And what I love about this is, in the background, very faintly, if you can see, it's got either like Chinese or Japanese writing, which is awesome. But yeah, but these kits are, this kit, it was one kit. It's absolutely beautiful. Some background lined papers. Yeah, just wow. Oh, I'm all fingers and thumbs today. I'm not working, not functioning. But yeah, I really hope the lighting's doing this justice. It looks really dark to me through the camera, but then it does this, and then when I go and put it on the computer, it's lighting's perfect. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. I love it. And then we've got some like journal cards. This has been printed on normal printer paper. I haven't printed them on cardstock or photo paper or anything, just normal 80 GSM printer paper. I'm going to back them onto cardstock and other things, but they are absolutely beautiful. Now see, these I'm thinking of putting the dragonfly stickers over the top of them that I have, and maybe some labels, some tags. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Just absolutely stunning. I love it, Susan. I really, really love it. I tell you what, it was hard. it was extremely hard to choose. Like Susan just said, you know, find your kit, choose it, let me know, and I'll send it to you. And I really struggled choosing. I really, really did. Some little embellishments. Some more. Just, yeah, I really did struggle. And then some fussy cut dragonflies. Beautiful. I was actually printing these out onto normal paper, and then I thought after I've done that, I thought, oh, should have printed them onto vellum. So what I'm going to do actually, I'll do it before I do the actual design team project, which I'm not putting a date on it or anything because I do have loads of other things to do. Prior commitments and everything as well first. But before I do the project, I will reprint this and I will print it onto vellum, print it onto tracing paper and onto sticker paper, because I think that's going to be interesting. But they are beautiful. So yeah guys, that is Susan's Dragonfly Dreams kit. I was mega torn between this one and her mermaid kits. But the problem with the mermaid kits was there's more than one and I loved them all, so I'm like, I can't choose. But yeah, so they're equal. Oh, I'm really happy with this one. I went with this one. I chickened out and went with this one. But they are absolutely beautiful. I also have this kit. This was not sent to me by Susan for the design team. This is a kit that I bought from Susan last year. Last year or even the year before. When she first started doing digital kits, I bought this from Susan. This is one of her eco kits. Eco print kits. And I think this will go really well with some of these. Well, some of these papers in here I think will go brilliantly with this. So these may feature as well. What I might do is I may even put these back into the printer and print them on the reverse side. I don't know yet. But yeah, look at that. It's just beautiful. It's upside down. But yeah, so this is a beautiful kit. I can't remember which one it is exactly, but it is one of her eco print kits. It's beautiful. I love it. I love the colours. There is a couple of pages missing from this because I did use it ages ago to do a collage card with. I love that one. I did a collage journal card with it ages ago. So there's two or three, I think there's two, one maybe two sheets missing from this kit. But that's a beautiful kit as well, and like I said, I think they might just tie in really nicely with this kit, some of them, especially that green one. So they may work together as well, we will see. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys because I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Susan, for asking, not just me, but you know, allowing me to be one of your guest design team members. I'm so excited. But yeah, and thank you also for the no pressure thing. I will get it done as soon as possible, I promise. But yeah, it's just awesome. Thank you so much. And as I said, guys, links to this kit and everything else, Susan's shop and everything, Susan's YouTube channel, sorry, will be below. I will link this kit. I will find this kit and link that as well, but then you can get to all the other stuff from those links and Susan's shop from those links anyway, and I will link Susan's YouTube channel. I will also link the video where she said about the design team call. But yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all soon. Goodbye.